So here's our final project for CPE 329. This is music recognition using the MSP432 instead of the MSP430. I'm Jesse Carrillo, and my lab partner is Fred Saucedo. So, project design. So first, we opted for the MSP432 due to its increased data storage and clock frequency, although the increased data storage was still not enough for audio files, so we had to incorporate the PC with it as well. The general layout of our system is we have the microphone on the outside of the box there, and that's connected directly to the MSP, and then the MSP then connects to the computer via UART. That's where then the song sampling is performed, the FFT and correlation or cross correlation is performed, and that's how we would determine which song is which. System requirements. So we needed to be able to take the FFT. Originally, this was done on the MSP432, but we ran into problems with data storage. So we pushed that over to the PC via UART. Over there on the PC, we have pre-recorded a bank of 5 songs and their respective FFTs. And so we take in the new FFT, cross-correlate that with the stored one, and then the one with the best match is our song name and artist that we then push back out onto the screen of the computer. Test plan. So first was the calibration of the microphone, so we had to adjust the gain on that until we reduced clipping. Also, we tested the sampling rate, made sure that was good. Do you want to carry on? Or?
Yeah. So on testing of the sampling rate, what we did is we introduced this as the input, 1 kilohertz tone, and then we took the raw data out of the microphone, took the FFT, and found where that peak was, or what frequency that peak was, and we adjusted our sampling rate frequency nominal until that peak was found at 1 kilohertz, so we can make sure that it was correct. For length of processing, we use a timer so that you can see at length of the songs, as you'll see in the demo coming up. Physical dimensions of the test, we took a ruler and measured box. Lessons learned, not enough memory, either the 432 or the 430, so we had to use a computer to store. Also, because the 432 is new, there's a lot of errors in the documentation. Doing audio recognition is a lot harder than we anticipated, which would make sense, and perhaps a bit more of outside the scope of this class. Next steps for system development, eliminate the need for a PC. We had more storage in the 432, then we can do it all just there. And then to also eliminate the computer, use the LCD display to output or show the name of the songs. More accuracy, simply increase the sampling rate and do a little more of frequency filtering. And now we'll dive.
So here's the first song we are going to test. It's Du hast by Rammstein.
So here we go.
There we go.
So we see here in this figure, it's a plot of the raw data coming out of the microphone. We did a little bit of filtering to remove some upper frequencies, and here is the frequency response of that signal, or the audio file we recorded. So here, do analysis. We see that the song is indeed Du hast by Rammstein. So now, without stopping the video, we'll play different songs. So you can see we're not joking here. So let's select a different song.
Here's our microphone embedded inside.
Oops, that's playing.
And the red LED blinks when it hears stuff, which is kind of cool. Anyway. Alright, next up we're going to do Like a Stone by Audioslave. Good song, highly recommend it.
Alright, so we're
going to run that same code.
Here we go.
Yep.
So you can see here, again, the plot of the raw data from the microphone.
Looks different.
The frequency response. You can tell that it looks completely different than the Rammstein song we played before. So
yes.
Here we go. The song is Like a Stone by Audioslave. And then our last test we'll show you.
It's beautiful.
Because we can't go without playing it, you know?
Nope.
You heard it, unfortunately, but here we go. It's going to be Never Gonna Give You Up by the infamous Rick Astley.
Look at him. Oh, yeah.
All right, so with the line it, we're going to play the song. Same code again. Here we go.
It's my jam. Come on!
So this is the frequency response, again, of the raw microphone input. And you can see, Never Gonna Give You Up, by Rick Astley. The same code was ran. As you guys saw, nothing was changed. And indeed, we were able to properly identify these songs. Explaining some of it, as you saw in some of the figures, which I had some here. For example, Like a Stone by Audioslave. You can see that there's the frequency response looks quite different than, for example, this song. And we were able to figure out what song was best, or what song you were playing, by matching the song that the user played and compare them against the songs that we saw on the computer. Cool.